All right, what's up guys? My name's Jake Howarth here. I'm a brown belt out of Ronin Training Center under Vitor Oliveira. We're gonna go through a series of techniques called Bijo Breakdown. We're gonna be focused on nogi techniques. A couple of my credentials, multiple time Pan bronze medalist. I medaled at bronze at the Worlds in 2021. Former collegiate wrestler, so let's take a look. All right guys, we're gonna look at a very basic takedown. It's gonna be a snap down. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna collar tie my opponent here, and I'm gonna start to walk into him. So I can get him to start pressing back. As he presses back, I'm gonna think about honestly throwing his head into the mat as hard as humanly possible. So we walk in, he comes back, boom. Now we're gonna get to our front headlock. So from here, grab a chin grip, grab at the back of his tricep. I'm gonna think about stretching this side arm out here, and I'm gonna replace my left arm with my knee as I keep his chin tight to my head. From here, I'm gonna switch to a seatbelt here, and now my left knee is gonna come in back, start scooping his back leg as my right knee replaces the left. From here, I'm gonna scoop this leg, keep my knee tight, start to pull him over onto his side. Now, my bottom hook goes in right away. Boom, the top hook follows as I stretch him out. So one more time.